Setting up classified data in Mixpanel is a straightforward process. First, we start out by heading to your lexicon to determine which event properties or user profile properties contain sensitive data and mark the identified sensitive property as classified. Next, head into project settings to set up access permissions for each data view, specifying which users or teams can view the classified data. Don't forget to regularly review and update access permissions to ensure compliance with data privacy policies. In this example, we have marked the property email address as classified. So let's see what this looks like in the project for users that don't have access to this classified data. If I were a user who has not been given access to this data, you will see that when I look at a board or report that contains this classified data, there will be a notification pop up restricting my access. I will then need to remove the property that is causing this restriction in order for the report to continue to work. With these granular access controls and enhanced data privacy, you can confidently analyze your data and make informed decisions without compromising on security.